Hi guys, this is Owen Stein. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, welcome. Today we go over 5 affiliate marketing tips. Please stick around to the end for something special you don't want to miss. Number 1. Choose products and services that align with your niche. You don't want to promote something that has nothing to do with your channel. That's like a vegetarian promoting a meatloaf. Number 2. Disclose affiliate partnerships. Just like how you disclose that you ate the last slice of pizza, disclose your affiliate partnerships too. Number 3. Use video titles and descriptions that highlight the benefits. Think of it like a Tinder profile. You want to highlight the best features to get people to swipe right on your affiliate links. Number 4. Show the product in action. You wouldn't buy a car without test driving it, and your viewers won't buy a product without seeing it in action. Lastly, number 5. Include a call to action. Don't be afraid to boss your viewers around. Tell them to click that link and buy the product. If you want to be involved in a groundbreaking online affiliate opportunity that is free to join, click the link below. You won't be disappointed. Also, please like, comment and subscribe. See you next time, and on the beaches of the moon.